बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल फैशन प्लेयर जोन। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? उम्मीद करती हूँ सब खैरियत से होंगे। अल्लाह पाक आपको अपनी हिफ्ज़-ओ-अमान में रखे और खुश रखे और हर नया आने वाला दिन आप लोगों के लिए अच्छा साबित हो। तो फ्रेंड्स, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy crochet ideas. So please viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to last. These designs are so stunning and unique. जो उम्मीद है कि आपको ये डिज़ाइंस बहुत पसंद आएंगे। तो प्लीज़ viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. I really hope that they will love these unique and decent crochet tops ideas. आप लोग जानते हैं कि क्रोचेट के आर्टिकल्स को दुनिया भर में बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद किया जाता है। You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors, different decent and unique crochet articles. You can design your dresses with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet article collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to crochet articles. You can see more beautiful and unique crochet designs from my channel. If you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. You know guys, crochet articles are very attractive for women. See you soon friends. Allah Hafiz.